Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Al Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 117, Intermediate AutoCAD, in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Right. So as we take a look at the meeting announcements, Module 4 is due March 31st at 11:59. And then Module 5 has been released, which is due April 7th at 11:59 also. We take a look at the main splash page. Module 6 goes through dimensioning, mechanical, and architectural drawings. And so 5 was mechanical drawings, and then 6 is architectural drawings. And so we go through the differences between the two with things like dimension styles and creating those drawings, because the units are much bigger on architectural drawings. We're looking at things that are 15 feet by 18 feet versus things that are 15 inches by 18 inches. And so they're much different in scale. And with those changes in scale, the settings are different within the CAD system. All right, so as we look at it, covers chapter 9 in our technical drawing textbook, which includes blocks. And so we'll work with these different block symbols for things like ceiling fans, door openings. We'll work with creating these blocks step by step according to our textbook. Here's some mechanical applications for some fasteners. Techniques used to work with those blocks in a step-by-step manner. And then some other information. And then here's our guest cottage project. And it's really kind of a tiny house. It's got a bathroom, a closet, and then a living space. And so we'll go through and we'll work on that guest cottage. We'll create layers for plumbing and electrical. We'll create blocks for the plumbing fixtures like the bathtub, the vanity, and the toilet, and the ceiling fan, and then the electrical symbols to represent those on the print as schematics. And then there's some bonus information. If you're interested in doing some additional work, you're always welcome to do something like electrical CAD block schematics. All right, back to the main splash page. There's a video. So again, we've color-coded the videos, placed them on YouTube. Through and take a look at the technique for that. We use the B-size architectural title block, cover the content information as far as how to create architectural dimension styles. They're slightly different. And we're creating these per the standards, going through things like the dimension scale on that fit tab. And we're tying things into the textbook. Create those blocks for plumbing. So that's the YouTube video or the tutorial. We come back to the main splash page. Lecture information from chapter 6. Read through the textbook chapter, learning objectives, explain how dimensions are determined on architectural drawings. Describe standards that affect the creation of architectural drawings, and then some of the guidelines and some of the best practices as we work with dimension style managers for creating these different architectural drawings. So if you have not worked within the field, We want to have employable skills, and we're tying those things into the US National CAD standards, building and information, and then just basic information on how architectural drawings are constructed from a technical drawing standpoint. Remember, the intermediate AutoCAD, kind of a general design course in which we go through both mechanical and architectural applications, and then demonstrate how to work with those different types of drawings within our modules and hands-on lab activities. Back to the main splash page. And it opened the wrong one. Let me back up. There we go. And so here's the information color-coded out there for you. You can do the review questions. Those would be considered bonus. They're not required, but some students will like to do that. And then here's the information on our mechanical drawings from last week, creating mechanical dimension styles, and then creating mechanical drawing. Remember, if you need student assistance, if you'd like to get some extra help in person, Wednesdays between 9 and 12:30, Skokie campus, room P131. Thursday, same place, different time in the afternoon, 2 o'clock to 6 p.m. Fridays are virtual. So if you would like a virtual appointment, work from home, send us an email. We'll send you a Zoom link. And then Sunday in person at the Skokie campus, room P132 from 8:30 till 1. With that, I'm going to end the Zoom recording and open things up for questions.